Hello, this is Blossom Diamond Painting. So I have some Michael kits for us. I just got one of the kits. It is the carousel looking horse, and then I did not know that we had these ones. So it looks like you get a pen and you get some placers, and then it looks like you get some wax as well. We'll have to open this up. I've never seen this before. A lot of the times my Michaels doesn't have those, and so I never get to really see those. But yeah, I just want to get this video out because Michaels has their Christmas selection. I am super happy because when I saw this horse, I was like, oh my gosh, that is so cool. I love it. So get a coffee, tea, whatever you drink, and sit and watch me unbox this stuff. This will be fun. Right now I have a coffee. I went and took my dog and me, my dog Piper. We went out and we got some coffee, and then we went to Michael's and I went to go see if we had this, so it was super fun. So let's get this unboxed. All right, come on. Oh, they really did not want me getting into this box. Okay. So, the awesome thing about Michaels is that these are budget-friendly canvases. And Michaels always has coupons. So never really pay full price for them, because some point they're gonna have a coupon for this stuff. So please always use the coupons that you get, because it makes it so much easier. And honestly, these canvases are actually really nice canvases. For being a budget-friendly kit that you can just go to Michael's and get a kit, these are really, really nice. I'm so excited for this. So this is a round kit. If you have never bought from Michael's before and you are new, I'm going to show you this, but there is this is the instructions. So it lets you know the steps and everything to get started in diamond painting. It also comes in another language as well, which is amazing. And then, so since this is Christmas, they have a Christmas kit, and it looks like it's red, which is amazing. I love how they're doing this now. It's awesome. So what you get is you get a case, and it's gonna have 2 waxes. So they are red on the theme. And then if you've never diamond painted, there is some protective over the wax. Just peel it off and then you'll be able to use the wax. And then here's some baggies. You get some baggies that you can store your drills in. And here's the tray. It's just a basic tray that you can definitely do the canvas with. Now, on more like the seasoned diamond painters, we have our own trays. We have pretty much our own pens. Like, we get custom stuff. Like, there's so much stuff that you can do with it. It's so amazing, and it is awesome. I love it. This hobby is so much fun. So I'm just gonna put that to the side. Also that I am actually gonna go through the drills for you in this canvas. These are acrylic drills. They are rounds, and I have done some round drills. I did a dog one, and that was a lot of fun. Like, the drills stay on the canvas. It is definitely very well made, and it is awesome. So I'm gonna roll this backwards so that we can see it. Hold on. Now the canvas isn't it's not soft like what you would get at like Diamond Art Club and Dreamer Design and Art Dot and that type of stuff. These are more of like a budget friendly canvas. These canvases are really nice. They're not, they actually are really good canvases. And they have poured glue and it's very sticky. I absolutely love this canvas. I love carousel horses, and so for me this is super pretty. Now they do have the red. I don't know if you can see that, but they do have like some symbols that are red. They have a lot of it's very clear and it's very nice. I like it. Yeah, this is the canvas. It's super pretty. I do notice like on the canvas it doesn't look super shiny and like amazing, but once you start putting the drills on is when it starts popping and looking really nice, which is kind of what you want. This is really pretty. So I just want to show some things. So you got a snowflake. It looks like some flowers on it. Very carousel horse like. Got the cool hair that most carousel horses have. The ears. It looks like the background. Definitely very carousel vibes. I love it. I'm definitely, oh, and you have that little rod that goes through the horse so that you can ride it. It's super pretty. I love it. I will probably be working on this during Christmas. So this is a kit that I will be working on probably because I gotta get my stash down. So, and I just added to it, which is fine. I'll do it. It'll get done, and then it'll get put in my portfolio. I'm probably not gonna bling it up. I need to figure out how I'm gonna bling stuff up. But this is this one. It's super pretty. I feel like I'm just repeating myself, and I do apologize. But it's got so much detail, like everywhere. It's very confetti heavy, I have noticed. But I'm okay with that. Like I'm perfectly okay with that. It's very confetti heavy. I actually love confetti. You got some area that looks like some color blocking, but not much. But it is very confetti heavy, which I love it. So we're gonna do that. And it's gonna be so pretty when it's done. So here's what I'm gonna do. I'm going to show the drills, and I want to give a fair warning before I show the drills because I'm going to take them out of the package. The package is going to get a little loud. If you want to, you can mute me, and then you can wait until I take them out and then unmute. I don't think there is any special drills in this. I did not see that when I got into the canvas. Actually, I didn't even look, let's be honest. Oh, it is a 16-inch by 20-inch, and it's round. I don't even know how many colors it is. Let's see if it says anything on here. Hold on. All right, we're gonna go back. So with Make Market, it does have like a SKU number on it, and it looks like it has 53 colors in this thing. Okay, was not expecting that. So, all right, 53 colors. All right, now I'm going to take these out. Hold on. I do apologize. My phone just went off. But again, this is Make Market, and it's from Michaels. Alrighties. Look at this. This is pretty. Oh my gosh, do you see those blues? Oh, I love this. I love it. I love it. Ooh, there's some curves. See, this is the awesome part. So, this is awesome because looking at the canvas, you don't see all those colors that are going to be like super bright and everything. And then once you take out the drills, then you can really see how the canvas is going to look, which is amazing. All right. Okay, so I'm going to start and I'm just going to be quiet. Ooh, that's all. Sorry, this is all the 3 pins. Wow. Okay, well, that's all the drills. Very, very bright and colorful. When you look at them, it's so bright. I love it. This is going to be a very fun canvas. All right, let me just put this to the side. I'll put these into the thing later. All right, same thing with the canvas. Let's get the canvas out. Stay. Gotta tell the canvas to stay. All right, now we're gonna open up the Make Market, the Diamond Art Stylus kit. It's an 8-piece set, That red is super pretty. I did notice that this is very small and skinny. Hold on. That is not a... I will be right back. I want to show what I've gotten in some kits before. Right. Here we go. This is a more like what I've seen in some kits of Make Market, is like more of like a fatter diamond painting pen, but this is more skinny. I'm curious on this one. All right, let's open this. Did not think I was going to be fighting with this today, so. Got it. They always love to put tape. Stop making it harder for me to get it out. Ooh. That is super pretty. Okay, it is a red, but for some reason it looks orange. But it is a red. It's like a nice sparkly red color. That's actually, that is nice. It's nice and small. And we got the peppermint. Okay, so the thing that's on it, it's just wax, but it's a cool little design. I love it. I wonder if it smells. Hold on. Nope, it doesn't smell like anything. That is really cool though. That's really neat. I love it. Just for the like Christmas time, make it look all festive and everything. It's wax is what you get. And then you get these cool little, these nice little, these twist-on pens. Not pens, oh gosh. Twist-on tips that you can put into the pen. And they actually look smaller. Hold on. I don't know. They look skinnier. And they look a lot smaller. So, I wonder if they changed the size of it. I'm curious. Ooh. That's actually very slim. I don't know. I can't tell if they are or not. But this is still really cool though. I'm very happy with it. So these are screw-on pens. They give you some different tips that you can use. And what they do, hold on. I don't want to use that one. But what you do is you just put it in and you screw it on. And it will screw on. And now you got a pen and you can put on, let's do this one. Super cute. I love it. It's also like smaller too. I'm struggling. It's me, not the pen. All right, and now you got a pen that you can use in diamond paint. This is amazing. So super happy about that. That's awesome. I like how it's smaller too. And then you get some more wax. Awesome. So I hope everybody has a great morning, afternoon, night, wherever you're living at, and have a great day. Oh, like, subscribe, share, and comment. That lets me know that you want to see more of this stuff, and I will be more than happy to do more because I got a ton of kits that I need to unbox in my stash. I will slowly go through them.